Hello friends, I am Dr. Girish Bhalerao, Senior and Chief Consultant with Orthopedics Department here at Mumbai. I am board certified MS Ortho, D Ortho, DNB Ortho, and I have 15 years of experience with worldwide fellowship programs trained internationally. I specialized in joint replacement program offering you minimal invasive customized robotic joint replacement specialities. Also, I am India's first doctor to be FIFA alumnus. So I have trained my sports medicine fellowship program from FIFA Center of Medical Excellence, Portugal. We take care of all your joint problems from young to elderly, including any ligamental injuries, any soft tissue instabilities, or even arthritis. We offer you high-tech advancement in terms of logistics like robotics, minimal invasive surgical techniques, all type of lasers, shavers, radio frequency ablators, and most advanced technology with which you can get your most optimum result. We not only want you to get treated with your problems but also want you to perform beyond your ability, which has been restricted because of your pathologies like joint pains, joint instabilities, also compensatory joint pains like your lower back, etc. Coming to us, we assure you that we take care of you from right from your inception, from your arrival to our country, to your transportation, stay, your treatments, and post-operative physiotherapy protocols as well. So if you have any bone and joint issues, please connect with us and get yourself sorted in the best optimal way. Thank you.